What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Pelvic Floor Strong before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Pelvic Floor Strong works. What is Pelvic Floor Strong? Pelvic Floor Strong is a novel workout program designed to help strengthen the pelvic floor muscles and thereby support the bladder, uterus, and bowels. This program presents the science-backed pelvic floor repair method, which is a 3-movement sequence that will heal the body. According to the creator, Alex Miller, Pelvic Floor Strong exercises will work for all people. The creator says that Pelvic Floor Strong has been designed to help get rid of issues like Lehr syndrome and diastasis recti. This program consists of exercises that will heal lower back and hip pain and correct posture with the help of quick pec stretch variations. This workout program will also help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. How does Pelvic Floor Strong repair method work? In this section, let us look into how the Pelvic Floor Strong program works. As per the official website, this system presents a 3-movement sequence that is backed by scientific research. The Pelvic Floor Strong program is a detailed video that explains the simple steps that anyone can follow to heal their pelvic floor. The video states the right way to do the Kegel exercise to contract the pelvic floor and activate the muscles. This will help prevent leakage when you cough or sneeze. It is in addition to this that the program lists the 3-movement sequence to strengthen the abdominal canister, including the pelvic floor and the core. Other exercises explained in the program are heel slides, marches, happy baby poses, and diaphragmatic breathing. This workout system also reveals ways to get rid of belly and diastasis. The program also helps to reduce lower back and hip pain and correct posture with the help of quick pec stretch variations. So, this is how the Pelvic Floor Strong program works to support the strength of the pelvic floor muscles. What is included in Pelvic Floor Strong? The step-by-step informational video program presented by Pelvic Floor Strong consists of several simple chapters that are easy to follow. Here are some things introduced in certain chapters of this Alex Miller program. Chapter 2. This chapter details the right way to do the Kegel exercise to strengthen the loose pelvic floor muscles. Chapter 3. This chapter lists the simple ways to engage your abdominals and strengthen your core. This will help prevent leakage and flatten your belly. Chapter 4. This chapter explains how to slightly shift your stance to effectively use 30% more of your muscles. As a result, your metabolic rate will increase and weight loss will happen. Chapter 6. Chapter 6 reveals the simple 3-movement sequence to strengthen your abdominal canister, including your pelvic floor and core. This will help prevent leakages and vaginal bulging and heaviness. Chapter 7. This chapter presents the 3 easy steps that you can include in your routine to immediately stop leaking. These are the few things available in some chapters. The Pelvic Floor Strong video program holds more information and more chapters. Who is the creator of Pelvic Floor Strong? The Pelvic Floor Strong repair method has been designed by the fitness expert and pelvic floor specialist, Alex Miller. She is well known for helping hundreds of women heal their bodies. Over the years, she has been helping many women, and the different workouts that have benefited them have been provided through the Pelvic Floor Strong program.